Hello everyone, welcome to How to Tuts. In this video I'm gonna share with you how you can create your account on Tribel Social. Okay, so this is best Twitter alternate app, so you can easily create this account. So first you need to install this app in your device. So go to Play Store or you can download it from App Store. I already downloaded it, so I'm gonna share with you how you can download right here. Tribel Social, or you can just type Tribel, and after that click install, and it will be installed in your device. And then go to open, click open, or you can click on a travel apps. And this is the interface. This is the home page of Tribel. I think it's really good, and this is authentic site, so you can use this. But there are two options here. You need to log in or sign up. Okay, so click sign up, and here are three options. So you can sign up through Facebook or Apple, or also sign up through your email. So in this video I'm gonna share with you on email address. So click here and type your first name, like, okay, so then I'm giving my ID, and confirm your email and give password. So you have to give password at least 8 characters, numbers, uppercase and lowercase also. So give it to 3 and confirm your password also. And then click sign up. So you have to give your last name also. So I'm just giving my name, and then click sign up. Okay, and you have to give some information here. So you have to choose your gender, and then you have to choose your birthday. So give your birthday here. So it's really easy, just you can check it. Select your country, so you have to select your country. I'm gonna select my country and select your state. So just then sign up, and then they will send you verification code on email address. So you have to check your email. Okay, so